welcome to Geeklightful. If you have seen my update video, you now know that I have moved and I'm so happy with our new home. I've been waiting to make this video for so long. It's already been
October, November, December, January, February.
5 months. So in October, I've been saying it a lot in my videos, but I went to Japan with my husband and I bought a whole bunch of gachas. So gachas are these little toys that you can find in gacha machine. They're kind of like dispensers. So you usually put $2 into the machine and then you get a little ball. And the toys that you can find in these are super cute and they're very detailed. And it's not the ones that you can find here in Canada and probably in America also, where they're pretty cheap and not that cute. But in Japan, they are good quality, they are original, and so freaking adorable. Adorable. Ball. Get it? Because it's like a little ball. So I have all of these gachas that haven't been opened since the 5 months that I've been back. So I can't wait to open them with you guys and show you every little detail about those adorable little toys. So I really hope you guys will enjoy this video, but I can tell you I most definitely will. Okay, I am so excited to finally open these. So I'm gonna start with these ones. Let's open it. So this one is a collection of some little cat sushis, and I thought they looked so cute and reminded me of the night we went to eat at a conveyor belt sushi restaurant, and it was so delicious. So here are all the ones that I could have gotten, and now here's the one that I did get. So first you have the little plate, the little cat sushi at the bottom, some little chopsticks, and finally this is super adorable cat sushi. It's super detailed with all the little rice it's made of and the piece of fish on top. This is what it looks like in the plate with the little chopsticks. So this is the first one, but I actually bought a second one from this collection. So here is the second one, as you can see right here. Let's open it. Oh, the plate is so pretty in this one. So here's the little plate and the little cat sushi with a shrimp on top. So here are the two cat sushi gachas. So this year I bought a lot of gachas that were some little re-ments. They're miniatures that you can put in doll houses or put in doll photography. So these were actually cat themed kitchen items. So let's see inside. So there's quite a few adorable things in here. So first is this one. So these are actually some little molds that you would use to make some rice balls in the shape of cat faces. Okay, so this little plate is so cute. And you can see the details. There's actually two little ears and a tiny little tail here of some little paws. Then you have two rice balls shaped as cat faces. This would be the rice mold. So these are the other accessories, and this really looks like what you use to make some onigiris. Of course, this little rice ball fits perfectly in here. So let's see which other kitchen cat themed items we got. Here's the next one. So this one has a whole lot of accessories with it. Look at this little cat pastry or little bread. And it also comes with this cat face platter. Oh, so cute. So now let's see what's in this one. Okay, oh no. So this would be something you use as a stamp to stamp on the face of a cat on your bread. And then you have, oh my gosh, I was thinking this was a bit too big, but then when you put the cutter around it, it fits perfectly. So look at how the detailing is amazing. You can actually take out the bread cutter here and the face comes with it. This is the last cat theme kitchen accessory. It's pretty big also, and I think it's a bread machine. So you have your cat shaped bread machine, so you can open it like this. So here you have your bread mixture. I'm gonna leave it open so you guys can see that when I turn the tail, the bread is actually cooked. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. So here are all the cat kitchen accessories. And they are all so perfect and so cute. This one really impresses me. Oh my goodness. Next we're going to open these little bunny figurines. I'm going to start with this one. So here are all the ones that you can get. Oh my goodness, look at its little face and this little hat. Here you have the little bunny with its little chef hat, and it comes with a little frosting bag. So it fits perfectly on top of his little arm so it can stay like this. Here is the next one. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at this little bunny with its little paws. I love when bunnies have these little dropping ears. It's so cute. So the bunny comes with these. So according to Google Translate, this is some kind of teeth measuring tool, and this would be the teeth. And you put the little bunny right on the side. Look how his paws fit perfectly on the side of the measuring tool. This is so cute. So here are the two little bunnies that I got, and I think that they will look super cute with my dolls. So there are still all of these left. Next, I'm going to open these little bunny themed bakery items. Here is the first one. There's so many little items. Here's everything in this collection. First you have this little cutting board, and I think this is called a funnel cake pan. And now for the cake. This is so well colored and textured, so I bet the cake fits snugly into the mold. You get a cutting knife and the missing piece of cake. Now let's unmold it. This little sticker is supposed to go on the bag, like this. Now we're going to package this piece of cake for your lucky customer. Here is the next item. I guess this would be kind of a cooling item for when you get the little breads out of the oven. Oh, some tiny bunny pastries. These are so cute. And our customer wants a tiny bunny bread. Oh, look at this. So here's the tiny bunny bread ready to go. There are two more left, and here's the next one. Okay. Here's the top of this cake bell. Can you see the detail on this? It's super tiny, and yet they still put on the details of the bunny's face. Oh, it's a little kind of lemon tart. Ooh, so cute. Oh, this looks so yummy. And here's the plate. So here you put in the little tartlet and the cute cover on top. This is just so delicate and sweet. So I think I forgot to press play when I was opening this gacha, but I still wanted to show it to you guys. So here you have a cupcake stand with a few cupcakes on it. It's so cute, and they look so delicious. And my favorite one is this adorable little bunny cupcake. So here are all the cute little bunny bakery items that are just way too perfect. Here are the 3 gachas that are left. Wait till you see what's inside them. Can you see the little eyes in this one? It's a little hamster. Here are all the ones in this collection. Oh, look at this. The texture is so fun. It really feels like a pastry, like a traditional Japanese pastry. And look at the tiny hamster coming out of the pastry with his little paw here. And now for the next one. This one is from a different collection. Here is the lid of the bowl. Look at this soup bowl. It's so detailed. I'm loving this. And the cute little hamster. Look at the little paws, they're just hanging there. Let's put him in. Look at his little face. And then we put the lid. Okay, this is killing me. There's too much cuteness going on here. Okay, so now it's time for the last gacha I'm going to open. Let's see. Ooh, I'm going to open this last. So here you have a big kind of bamboo steamer that opens up, and look at all the details here. And now here's the dumpling and the hamster. I love this tiny little dumpling. It looks so yummy. and you can put it right in the steamer. And a cute little hamster. These little paws here, they just make me tear up a little. So here it is with the dumpling and a tiny little hamster. And you can even put on the lid or take it off to show all the cuteness that's inside. So here are all of the gachas that I bought in Japan. The tiny hamsters and bunnies, the bunny pastries, the cat sushi, and all the cat kitchen accessories. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. You can tell me in the comment section which of the gachas was your favorite. If you want to see more Japan related videos and hauls, you will find a few in the cards and also at the end of this video. Have a wonderful day and God bless you. Bye!